Hello everyone, welcome to the Educon community. And this is the third channel, which is bitwise tuples. And the question is that SAFE has two numbers, n and m. Helps SAFE to find number of integer n tuples, a1, a2 in this way to an, such that 0 less than equals to a1, a2, an less than equals to 2 to the power m minus 1, and a1 and a2 and dot 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 and an equals to 0, where and denotes the bitwise and operator. You can get the reference from these links, bitwise uh, operations from here. Okay. Now input is the first line, contains a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. The description of t test cases follows. The first and only line of each test case contains two integers n and m. And for each test case, output in a single line the answer to the problem modulo 10 to the power 9 plus 7. And here it is the set of the sample input and it is the sample output. So now, how can it generate? Let me explain. Suppose here 1 and 2. So here n value is 1 and m value is 2. Here n equals to 1 means we have one element in each tuple, and m equals to 2 means possible tuples are those which have value less than 2 into 2, and each tuple have only one element, suppose 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, but we need to find only those tuples which have and of all elements of particular tuples 0. So here it is output is 1, only one, that is 0. Okay, now in the second test case, where n equals to 2 and m equals to also 2. So n equals to 2 means that we need find all possible tuple which have number of elements in each tuple is 2, and m equals to 2 means that we need each element in each tuple is less than 2 into 2, that is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Is less than 2 into 2, that is 0, 1, 2, 3. So all the possible are 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, okay, then 0, 2, then 0, 3, then 1, 0, then 1, 1. In this way, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 0. Next is 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Okay, so the total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this way, total is 9. Unique value, unique sets are number is 9. So here the output is 9. In this way, for the next test case, n when n equals to 4, m equals to 2, then output is 225, and the next is this, which is very long integer. Clear? So it is the explanation part. So now go to the sample solution. So here this is part for the code for binary exponentiation, and this code for modular exponentiation, and here it is the main function. Here it is. And then it is the custom input, and these are the correct outputs, and the result is 100%. Okay, thank you. Do like, share, subscribe as much as possible for getting such videos.